Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through a UKG Pro tutorial. Start by logging into your account. Once you are on the home screen, look for the My Info section. Click on it to open your personal profile. Here, you can update your contact details such as your phone number, email address, and home address. Make sure everything is accurate. You will also find a section for emergency contacts. Add or update the name, relationship, and phone number of the person to contact in case of an emergency. Now move to the Time module. This is where you manage your work hours. To clock in, simply click the Clock In button at the start of your shift. At the end of your work, click Clock Out. Always double-check your entries to avoid errors. You can also review your worked hours in this section. At the end of a pay period, submit your timesheet for approval. Next, go to the Pay tab. Here, you can view your pay statements. You can switch between current and past pay periods. If needed, download your W-2 forms for tax filing. You can also manage your direct deposit details by adding or updating your bank account information. Finally, access the Time Off section. Here, you can request leave by selecting dates and submitting your request. You can also check your remaining vacation or sick time balance at any time. Thanks for watching.